What's going on, people? It's your boy Day with D2RFX. We got another trade session that we're going over. Right now it's 9:22 on February 6th, 2024. So we kind of looking to see what we expect to happen during this New York session. So first thing I'm gonna do is go pull up my DXY, see what we got going on. From the last time I was on the charts, it's what I saw going on with the DXY. And I definitely still see the DXY gaining power. So I'm gonna hop over to my FX book and the news we had come out or is coming out today. Let's see what we got going on. The 6th, yep. So a lot of Euro news came out during the London session. We had some green folks come out for the US dollar, none too major. All right, so we got a green folder. We got a Fed speech, and we got a 3-year no auction. So all this gonna be coming out within an hour and a half, about 10:30, 11 o'clock, then 12, and so on and so forth. So we know we don't really have too much major news coming out. I did this on the days. I still see price coming up to this major key level up here on the DXY. Let's drop down to the 30-minute chart. So you can see right here on this candle right here, the sellers, let me zoom in so you can see it better. Sellers push price down, and then the buyers trying to push it back up. So it's a battle of the bulls and the bears going on in this candle right now. So I still anticipate the US dollar being bullish during this session. So look at US 30. Okay. So now she ready to take off. Nice. We should see a nice little breakout coming on U30. And it's a hack on TradingView that most people sleep on. This purple thunderbolt right here gives you great news and fundamental data, deeper than what you can just get on my FX book or Forex Factor or something like that. So I ain't gonna go into all that right now, but that's some homework for you to do. Let's look over here at gold right quick, see what's going on with gold. Just go down the list, why not? Okay, Nas, same thing. I'm gonna delete this. Well, but same thing with Nas. See, we're at all-time high levels again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come pull out my Fibonacci extension tool. A lot of people don't know about this one. You only hear about the Fibonacci retracement and not the extension. And this just gives you a visual of, with the same Fibonacci sequence, gives you a visual of where price can go when you have nowhere to the left to look. You have no historic data to look at. You can come right here, pull out your extension tool, and now you got a Fibonacci ratio of where price could possibly go. So it's another little tool I love to use, and it's very accurate. So we could possibly see price come up in this zone and then pull back, and then ultimately, so on and so forth. Because US 30, Bitcoin stock market, gold, all these assets and commodities are definitely already in all-time high levels, but are anticipated to go higher with little pullbacks along the way. Let's look at gold. That was a crazy wick right there. Let's drop down to the hour. All right. So you see, we got a kind of inverted head and shoulders form right here. A lot of consolidation been happening. It's been having a hard time breaking out this golden ratio zone right here. So right now, let's go back to the DXY. We got 2 minutes before the market open up. So it's looking like we'll possibly see DXY drop a little and then Austin take off. If it don't, then we can definitely see price at least dropping to the next support level or bottom of the key level, whatever, whichever one work for you. So with gold, we see it gave us a break. It gave us a break right here for this zone that had been consolidating in for hours. Gave us a break. Now it's giving us a retest. And we could see a move like this. If the DXY sell off, then we're going to see uh we're gonna see gold about, then I could say like somewhere up into this area. Because this wick right here gotta get tested again. And this is a big engulfing candle right here that never fully got tested. I want to say probably give us 50% of it. Start the Fibonacci and see what's going on. And look, boom, spot on. Damn near 50%. So yeah, I definitely see gold coming to eat up some of this engulfing candle. We got 1 minute till market open. Let's look at GBP USD. Same thing. Yeah, I can see the US dollar getting a little weak because every pair against it look like it's due for a pullback. My golden zone. And then we can see a move, something like this, come up in the zone somewhere, and then boom, continue on the downtrend. All right, boom, market just opened up. Let's go look at US 30, see how she acting. Drop down to the 5 minute. Just a little hack for for US 30. I'm gonna give y'all some free game. So you come over to cnbc.com, right? Click markets. There's some information I came across watching the Forex podcast. So I got it for free, so I'm gonna share it with y'all. I ain't too big on the gatekeeping the information. I like it. All right, so we can go US markets. You're gonna click Dow Jones 30. And it's gonna show you all the 30 companies that make up the US 30. All right, then you press change percentage, and then you'll kind of see and be able to develop a bias on what direction the market going. If it's more stocks in the red than the green, what that mean? The market selling, vice versa. And this is just something you mix in with the technical data. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't trade 100% off that because it trade price action is king. Scotty, what's up, my boy? Unmute yourself if you muted. I'm just running through what I see in the market. So to kind of bring you up to speed,
Ragwan.
you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
So with gold, drop down to the 5 minute. You see, this is my golden ratio zone on the Fibonacci level. So I said price is giving it a retest, a break, retest, and now it should take off. Zoom in once you can see it. I did it on the hour. Yeah, I did this on the hour time frame. So you can see it broke it. It gave us a break at 8 o'clock. Then it gave us a retest at 9. So it's 9:30. So if we see price close above here, then about 10 o'clock, she gonna take off. We don't have no major news coming. She
About
started going giving solid
green,
retest. Yeah.
the green zone or the candle?
Huh?
The green zone or the red candle?
The green what?
Do you need it? Do you need the next candle to close above the green zone
Yeah, the
or
green
the red
zone.
candle? Okay.
Because if you pay attention to price, it just been consolidating. Like it's really haven't made no real move. And then this is a major engulfing candle that never got
Sheesh.
tested for real.
Sheesh.
Now you see we got a wick right here tested. And this whole engulfing candle, if I pull out my Fibonacci, I can see that we only got 50% of this candle from that wick. That wick only gave us about 50%. So you got like right here to the 50% level and never got, never got tested again. So I see that being a little move for gold because if I go to the DXY, which is US dollar index, and the DXY and gold counters each other. Just like if I was to look at, let me break this down to you first. So my overall move DXY is bullish. This on the daily time frame. Is my
This literally
overall,
was the exact opposite. That's crazy.
yeah, exactly. Make it simple for yourself. See, trading not hard once you really understand and figure out how the markets move, what makes what move what way. So with the DXY, when the DXY is weak, investors are taking money, taking the US dollars and putting it into gold. So like right now, you can see right down to the 30 minute, you can see, okay, the bulls starting to take over. That bullish selling pressure about to come on. And then let's go look at gold. Okay, you can see the sellers starting to take over. But normally what happens, and what I'm learning to do too, is wait till about 10 o'clock to enter your trades during the New York session. Cause that give you time to let the market react to first open up. And then see gold love the wick. Gold wick a whole lot. So this will fuck around and turn into a wick. Like yeah, about boom, this would be a wick right here. Then end up going into that buy. And then let me pull out my 200 EMA. And I like to use the 200 EMA, which is my white line. as support. I mean, dynamic support and resistance. Because then if you notice how price, back to the hour, if you notice how price move and react to it, it always want to come back to it.
Oh wow.
And then just to make it clear on your eyes, and let's go back and just looking back in history. And just look how price react and always come to it. But you can always catch a major move. It's some people who trade just off this alone. They just wait to see how price react off this 200. But look right here, broke it, retest, major sell, broke above, came back right here, boom. Could have caught you a couple little pips right there. This was a major break.
See, that's what I be wanting to learn how to see. I be wanting to learn how to see those moves. That shit's crazy.
Just to keep it simple with you, brother, I'm gonna mark up a whole another pair right quick. Let me see. Pick a pair. Give me a pair. What pair you be looking at?
Let me see. Right now I'm looking at I was looking at a couple of them. Let's do GU.
GU.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Because it had another one of them. I was looking at it on the 4 hour and
and look, this is what I got for GU.
shit was dropping.
This is what I got for GU. I got GU going into a buy. So
But I want to see that turn around because that I want to see that turn around because I know that buy's gonna be serious.
so that's how I broke this joint down. And I'm gonna remove everything. So I started the monthly, right? A Fibonacci. What's the swing, the most recent high and low?
Mm-hmm. Right there, yeah.
So then I want to find my golden ratio zone, which is the 61.8, between the 61.8 and 50% level.
So yeah, you might have to teach me that because you talking a different language right now.
You gotta tap in, man. I got you. All right. Now I'm gonna drop down to the 1 hour. I'm gonna drop down to the daily. All right, sitting in that zone. There's a bunch of consolidation going on.
Oh wow, that's the all-time high. Hasn't broke that in a minute.
Matter of fact, just for like right now purposes, okay, boom. You see this major move right here? That's a wholesale.
Mm-hmm.
Those levels gotta get tested. So let's put the fib on here. I want to get this as precise as possible. All right, boom. All right, so this is right now based off the 4 hour. This is a sweet move too. I'm actually about to enter this trade as we speak. But boom, simple move up right here. Now we can see price go continue. Let's go look at the data and see what's the overall trend that GU is in. Consolidating, ain't no real moves right here.
Mm-mm.
Ain't no real moves. So, but we go look, let's zoom out. Okay, see, we've kind of been in the uptrend. And that's the point of pulling that Fibonacci retracement out to see like, okay, if price do sell off, to what point do I think it could come to? So right here, okay, so if we do We do sell off. Let's drop back down to the 4 hour. All right, so we can see price make a move like this if it's gonna continue in the sell. So now, if it's gonna go into a sell, we're gonna see it buy up here to eat some of this up. But this is our sweet spot. So we see price go up here and then reject down in there. Then we want to see price break and shit. All right.
Yeah,
Break.
because if you break that last bottom, it's gonna keep selling, right?
It can keep selling. Exactly. We can anticipate that joint to keep selling. But then say if it was to hold up.
If it closed above or like right by it, it's probably gonna buy it again.
Right. So if it was to do a move like this, then you can anticipate it going into a buy. But like right now, it's going into a like GU is in a crazy buy right now. Reason being we know that because of our DXY.
Mm.
So knowing this and marking this up, you can really see and create a bias for any and everything traded against the US dollar. Because now I'm gonna go back to gold. Remember, gold was in that little sale. Now it should be handled right now. And let me call you back. I'm doing the Zoom call. Uh, my bad. But yeah, look, what I said we're gonna do. We're gonna form that wick. So it gave us that break, came and gave us that retest. Now it's about to take off. So you look at the time, it's 9:44. So at 10 o'clock, that next candle is gonna tell a story. But right now you can see the buying pressure. The buyers are slowly taking the market over right there. And then we go back to our DXY. And oh my goodness, she is dropping.
Mm-hmm.
Dropping. That is money. So seeing that drop like that lets you know the US dollar is weak right now. So even let's say Euro USD is going to be in the buy right now.
Wow.
AUD USD is going to be in the buy right now. You see all of them look the exact same.
Yeah, because everybody's spending money and they ain't.
USD JPY is going to be in the sale right now.
USD JPY.
This is a beautiful sale. This is a beautiful sale.
You think it's gonna clear that engulf in that last go engulfing?
Look, you see, it got to. It might not give you the whole move, but it's coming there. And look, when I told you about that sweet spot, I can at least, like, boom, I would set my take profit right here. I don't know, what am I rectangle though? Oh, there we go. I can anticipate price definitely dropping to here, or I would even say here to get some of this engulfing candle. Now we could definitely see it drop more because let's see what 50% of this candle would be. So just 50% of this candle would be right there, the yellow line. I'm just gonna leave that a yellow line. We could potentially see price sell off like right here. But if not, Like you know how they do take profit 1, 2, and 3.
Mm-hmm.
This should be my take profit 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. That's my 100. Full position. Well, you got 40 pips, about 47, 48 pips for take profit 1, 75 pips for take profit 2,
That's what I need. I got $335 left on this eval.
and 115 pips for take profit 3. Yeah. So I will wait till this 10 o'clock candle close and then definitely go get that money, man. Of course, use proper risk management. Don't chase it because with the size account that you're working with, you don't even need to leverage much. Don't over leverage.
Right.
It's like a move on gold will take you there. Like a nice buy on gold will take you there. And look,
You
oh my
yeah,
goodness, yes,
USDT GBY should enter, what is it, at
yeah, you was
141?
30. Oh, I don't know you was on the Zoom when I did this, but bruh, oh my goodness, I just called this. Right, and that joint's going. See what Nas. Look where it came right to the came. It bought up. So it bought up to this high right here. This is the all-time high Nas right here. Bought up and then sold. And if you look, that's the third time it came and touched that level. Well, actually, one, two, three said,
US 30? That
yeah.
US 30?
I mean, this Nas 100.
No, it's 100.
But then it came up. Look, with third try, third test, sell off crazy. She going crazy too. Damn. Look at that. That's money. Ooh, she's still going. Now let's see how far down. Let me see. All right, so look, this is what I'm talking about, the 200 EMA. See now, when you see it, all this shit gonna start making sense to you. And remember when I was just telling you about that 200 EMA, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's like such dynamic support and resistance slash the trend line. Look, see how price came right here, sold down to it, shot up. Right here, sold down to it, shot up. History repeats itself. Let's see how price react when you get right here. Because it might just sell all the way down here and then boom, let's shoot right back up. But she definitely dropping crazy. Let me see. Let me go look at the Nas. What's making her drop?
All that retest, it ain't going past that.
Hmm?
It's not going past 7. What is it?
Yeah, this is a nice little key level right here.
17,590.
Yeah, so you really, it's a nice little level.
17,850.
Let me go look at Nas. Oh man. And these are all the companies and stocks that make up Nas 100. I ain't gonna say and read through each one of them, but you can see at the top 100 companies. There's a whole lot of red in there. Look, boom, see it came a wick. So now you want to wait on this 10 o'clock candle to close to see what's going on. Gee, you ready to break out crazy, bro. That's a nice buy opportunity. EU is a very nice buy opportunity. Clean, clean,
Yeah.
clean jump.
Yeah, if that candle closed above that, we out.
Yeah. Ooh, got that joint running, boy. Actually, that joint shooting straight up here. Or at least in his zone. Even from where price at right now. It's right there. Easy 40 pips. Next level. Easy 61 pips. And then this 61 pips right here. And we haven't even got into this candle. Like I said, that's a major engulfing candle. That shit got to get tested. So as I see, over 50% of this candle. And as you can see, this is all price action. I ain't really using no indicators for real. And then you see how Fibonacci, I mean our golden zone and the 200 EMA kind of align. So by the time this price get up here, it would be done hit this and given this test of the 200. So if I remove this, and I just say we could possibly see price do some shit like break it, retest, and then go up in this area somewhere. Summertime, we got love. So yes, sir, man. We got what? 4 minutes, these candles close. Look at gold. Now gold testing this. Now you see it broke it a little bit, but then it kind of rejected it right back. So we can get a solid close above this 200. Yeah, she going up. Yeah, so we gonna see. Let's see what Nas doing. Okay, he came back. She came back. I anticipate her coming down here though. Oh, so we should see something like this. To see something like that for Nas. You got 3 minutes. You got any questions, bro, while waiting these 3 minutes?
Um, I'm debating on if I should place this shit on my live account. Try to make some bread.
Hey man, ain't no need to watch it happen. And you see it
Right.
happen.
Damn, 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 damn.
Even US oil, like, about to take off in a nice little buy. We got 1 minute. All right, boom. Boom. Let's see what we got. Boom. Nas went crazy. Got it broke below there. Like, still want to sell. All right, so it's 10:01.
Shit, yeah. I just jumped in. I jumped in on my demo right now.
On what? What you jump in?
On EU and GU.
Okay.
But let me take this call because I'm getting busy as hell.
All right, do your thing, bro.
But I'm definitely, bro, definitely gotta like this is this morning. In the morning, like especially like I'm learning this little VWAP little thing, and it's saying exactly what you're saying. Like you want to wait till 10 o'clock, all of that jazz. Like so, it's just like I'm about to really start being on a routine, like watching stuff
I've
from
been
eight
shooting in the
o'clock
gym, man.
until
That's what I'm here
now.
for. I've been shooting in the gym, man. Get with me.
Swear, bro, definitely trying to ball out with you, bro.
All right, I'm here, man. Just hit me.
All right, I got you, man. Good looking.
Yes, sir. Love, bro. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this call up, and I will be dropping more videos like this. Make sure you like, subscribe to the video. Add me on Instagram at D2R Golden Child. Add me on Instagram at D2RFX. I'll put a link to both of them in the description of the video. But much love, peace, and prosperity, man. We're gonna trap the market out every day. Oh yeah, look, the buy is about to come. Boop, boop, boop. Just made him some money this morning. I'm I'm gonna get the message from him. He passed that challenge today. We're gonna take a shot of something on live. Much love, peace, and blessings, man.